Hey guys, welcome in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So quick video today. I was just on the computer doing some analysis and I came up with this thought and I was like, why not put this on video and share it with you guys for free. So, I was looking at some charts. I was also going through my trading journal a bit earlier and I was seeing all the trades, that I've made in the last couple of years, the results that I've been able to generate. And I was like, wow, it's actually pretty impressive. I've really been able to make big returns in the last couple of years, and I was like, well, I'm pretty proud of myself for that. Not a lot of people can achieve such returns, and I don't say that to sound cool or to impress you, but it's just the truth, right? If you look at how most people are doing in trading, even the people who are profitable, well, not a lot of people have been able to reach big returns, with hundreds of percentage of growth in a couple of years. And so I was pretty proud of myself with this. And I was just like, well, what made me so good, right, in trading? What's the reason of why I've been able to be so consistent over the years? And I think that the answer that I've came up with is really that at any moment in time, one thing I was always focusing on, and it's still the case today, is to trade with a style that really fits my personality and that I'm really comfortable in. And that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. So it is really, really important to trade in a way that you are comfortable in, okay? That it fits your personality and that it matches the way that you want to trade. And so, over the years as I've been trading, my trading style has evolved quite a bit. So a couple of years I was trading a lot more short term, for example, than what I'm doing today. I was taking more trades than what I'm doing today, but at the time this is what felt more comfortable to me. And today what feels more comfortable is trading more long term and taking less trades. So you see that even as my trading style evolved, it always evolved in the same direction as what I was comfortable with doing on markets and what I thought was the most optimal way to trade. But it really is one of the most, if not the most important thing, I believe, to reach consistency over the long term. Of course, there are so many other components, right? So there is nothing that has to be neglected, but this is really one of them. You really just need to trade in a way that you are comfortable in, that matches your personality, matches your day-to-day life. And I'm telling you that if you can find such a style that also enables you to be profitable and to make money, well, you will be able to be consistent over the long term and reach amazing results simply because your trading style will be directly aligned with your personality, with your strength, and then you will be able to kind of maximize these strengths, right? If that makes sense, and even profit on them. So that's the idea. That's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. So a very quick one, but I just wanted to put this out for free. Maybe that it will help some of you guys. So if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like. You can also share it around. Make sure as well that you're subscribed to the channel if it's not already done. And on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.